Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Nissan Versa. That engine is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Okay. See, it does have alloy wheels and tinted windows all the way around. As you can see from the badges, it is the SV edition. So it does have the sport fabric seats. Couldn't give you a shot of this VIN, and I will upload some still photos as well. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 7,107 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your push to talk, your cruise control, your trip computer toggles. There are your hood and gas latches right there. Okay, as we come down here, you see that it does have, when we jump to our audio, to our sources, you're going to have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, then you also have auxiliary and USBs. You can see the backup camera. There's the backup camera right there. As you come over here, you have your glove compartment, your additional climate controls right there. There's your USB and auxiliary ports and another 12-volt outlet. There's your ignition, shifter. As you come over here, you got your handbrake, your cup holders, and there's your key fob right there. And chargers right in here from USB ports. As you come up above, you're going to have your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this little Nissan on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front. And it also resulted in a little bit of damage here on the passenger door. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.